Divergent thinking is a cognitive process that involves generating multiple, unique solutions or ideas in response to a given problem or prompt. It plays a critical role in creative problem solving, allowing individuals to explore various possibilities and develop innovative approaches. In this video, we will discuss the science behind divergent thinking, its benefits, and a variety of exercises that can help strengthen your creative problem-solving skills. Divergent thinking is a key component of creativity, setting it apart from convergent thinking, which focuses on finding a single, optimal solution to a problem. By understanding the neural mechanisms and cognitive processes involved in divergent thinking, we can gain valuable insights into how to develop and enhance this vital skill. Divergent thinking is characterized by the generation of multiple ideas, solutions, or possibilities in response to a given problem, often involving lateral thinking and thinking outside the box. In contrast, convergent thinking is a more linear and focused approach that seeks to identify the single best solution to a problem. While both types of thinking are essential in problem solving, divergent thinking is particularly crucial for promoting creativity and innovation. Research in neuroscience has revealed that divergent thinking is associated with the activation of specific brain networks, including the default mode network, DMN, and the executive control network, ECN. The DMN is involved in spontaneous thinking, imagination, and daydreaming, while the ECN is responsible for directing attention, planning, and decision-making. The dynamic interplay between these networks allows for the generation, evaluation, and refinement of creative ideas. Divergent thinking is a core element of creativity, as it facilitates the generation of novel ideas and encourages the exploration of multiple perspectives. By cultivating divergent thinking skills, individuals can enhance their creative potential, fostering innovation and promoting more effective problem-solving strategies. Developing divergent thinking skills can lead to numerous cognitive, personal, and professional benefits. Some of the key advantages include enhanced problem-solving abilities. By generating a wide range of possible solutions, divergent thinking can help individuals identify more effective and innovative approaches to complex problems. This skill is particularly valuable in today's rapidly changing world, where creative problem solving is essential for success in various fields. Improved adaptability and resilience. Divergent thinking promotes cognitive flexibility, enabling individuals to adapt more easily to new situations and challenges. This adaptability can contribute to greater resilience in the face of adversity, as individuals are better equipped to develop novel strategies and solutions in response to setbacks or obstacles. Boosted innovation and productivity. Cultivating divergent thinking skills can lead to increased innovation and productivity, both on an individual and organizational level. By encouraging the generation and exploration of new ideas, divergent thinking can drive the development of groundbreaking products, services, and processes, ultimately leading to a more competitive and successful organization. Increased cognitive flexibility. Divergent thinking is closely related to cognitive flexibility, the ability to shift between different modes of thinking and adapt to new information. By fostering divergent thinking skills, individuals can enhance their cognitive flexibility, allowing them to navigate complex problems more effectively and maintain mental agility throughout life. Exercises to strengthen divergent thinking skills. Developing divergent thinking skills requires practice and intention. The following exercises are designed to stimulate divergent thinking and enhance creative problem-solving abilities. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a powerful technique for generating multiple ideas and solutions to a problem. It encourages free-flowing, spontaneous thinking and collaboration. Guidelines for effective brainstorming. Create a non-judgmental environment that encourages the expression of all ideas, no matter how unusual or far-fetched they may seem. Encourage quantity over quality, as this can lead to more diverse and potentially innovative ideas. Allow for free association and build on the ideas of others. After the brainstorming session, evaluate and refine the ideas generated. Variations on brainstorming, brainwriting and brainwalking. Brainwriting. Participants write down their ideas on paper or sticky notes instead of discussing them verbally. This can help reduce the influence of group dynamics and encourage more independent thinking. Brainwalking. Participants move between different stations where they add to or build on ideas that others have written down. This encourages physical movement and exposes participants to a wider range of perspectives. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual technique for organizing information and exploring relationships between concepts. The basics of mind mapping. Start with a central idea or problem and branch out into related subtopics or concepts. Use images, colors, and symbols to represent ideas and connections. Create additional branches to explore further subtopics or potential solutions. How mind mapping can facilitate divergent thinking. Mind maps promote nonlinear thinking and the exploration of multiple perspectives. They encourage the generation of novel connections and relationships between ideas. The visual nature of mind maps can stimulate creativity and help to overcome mental blocks. Scamper technique. Scamper is an acronym for a set of creative problem-solving prompts designed to encourage divergent thinking. Overview of the Scamper acronym. Substitute. What can be replaced or exchanged in the current situation? Combine. How can different elements or aspects be merged or combined? Adapt. What ideas or solutions can be adapted from other contexts or fields? Modify. How can the current situation or problem be modified or changed? Put to another use. What alternative uses or purposes can be found for the current situation? Eliminate. What can be removed or simplified in the current situation? Reverse. How can the current situation be reversed or rearranged? Application of Scamper to creative problem solving. Use Scamper prompts as a framework for generating new ideas and approaches. Apply the prompts individually or in combination to explore multiple possibilities. Encourage collaboration and the sharing of diverse perspectives through group discussions and brainstorming sessions. Lateral thinking puzzles. Lateral thinking puzzles are problems or riddles that require unconventional or nonlinear thinking to solve. The concept of lateral thinking. Lateral thinking involves approaching problems from a different angle or perspective. It encourages the exploration of unexpected or unconventional solutions. Examples of lateral thinking puzzles and their benefits. Classic lateral thinking puzzles, such as the 9-dot problem or the river crossing problem, can help to develop divergent thinking skills and challenge conventional problem-solving approaches. Solving lateral thinking puzzles can improve cognitive flexibility and promote the development of creative problem-solving strategies. Creative constraint exercises. Creative constraint exercises involve setting specific limitations or boundaries to stimulate creativity and divergent thinking. The benefits of constraints on creativity. Constraints can force individuals to think more resourcefully and find alternative solutions to problems. Limitations can encourage the exploration of novel approaches and ideas that might not have been considered otherwise. Examples of creative constraint exercises. The 30 circles test. Draw 30 circles on a piece of paper and transform as many circles as possible into recognizable objects or symbols within a set time limit. 6-word stories. Write a complete story using only 6 words, challenging yourself to convey a meaningful message within the given constraints. 1-object challenge. Choose a single object and generate a list of as many possible uses for it as you can within a set time limit. Tips for fostering a divergent thinking mindset. Cultivating a mindset that encourages divergent thinking can help to enhance creative problem-solving abilities. Some tips for fostering a divergent thinking mindset include: cultivating curiosity and open-mindedness. Embrace curiosity by asking questions and exploring new ideas. Maintain an open-minded attitude and be willing to consider diverse perspectives and approaches. Embracing failure and experimentation. Recognize that failure is a natural part of the creative process and can provide valuable learning opportunities. Encourage experimentation and risk-taking as a means of discovering new solutions and ideas. Encouraging collaboration and diverse perspectives. Seek out diverse viewpoints and collaborate with individuals from different backgrounds and disciplines. Foster a culture of open communication and mutual respect that encourages the sharing of ideas and knowledge. Regularly practicing divergent thinking exercises. Incorporate divergent thinking exercises into your daily routine to strengthen and maintain your creative problem-solving skills. Continuously challenge yourself to explore new ideas and perspectives through the practice of these exercises. The value of divergent thinking in today's world cannot be overstated. With the rapid pace of change and the increasing complexity of global challenges, the ability to think creatively and generate innovative solutions is essential. By practicing the exercises outlined in this video and fostering a divergent thinking mindset, individuals can develop the skills necessary to excel in both their personal and professional lives. The ongoing journey to develop divergent thinking abilities is a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor that can lead to enhanced problem-solving skills, increased cognitive flexibility, and a more innovative and resilient mindset. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. Share with a friend.